What is going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex Garfe, and on my channel I share vegan recipes, fitness videos, and vlogs. Today is one of those recipes, and we are going to be making a vegan shawarma with mushrooms. So it's a healthy, whole foods, plant-based option. I can't wait to show you guys, so let's get into the kitchen. And if you guys do enjoy this kind of content, consider subscribing. It helps me out a lot, and it also helps the channel out, and it helps push it out to more people. And if we're trying to spread the vegan message, this is one way to help us do that. So if you guys want to do that, it would mean the world to me. And with that being said, let's get into the video. All right, guys, so of course it is a mushroom shawarma, so we are going to need some mushrooms. So I got these pretty large portobello mushrooms here, and we are going to get these cooking right away because these are going to take a while. I'm going to show you how we cook them right now. So I'm going to cook these in a cast iron pan. It's going to give them the best flavor. And I'm going to add a little bit of avocado oil. And I'm just going to move the avocado oil around the pan just so it evenly coats it all. And then I'm going to proceed to add the mushrooms. And if you guys are wondering, I got this recipe from Wicked Healthy. They're a great channel that cooks a bunch of good plant-based food. And I saw these on there and I was like, you know what? I gotta try these. So I'm just gonna add a tiny bit more oil on top of these. And we're gonna gently press these down, but we're gonna wait. We're gonna let the cast iron pan do it. So I'm gonna put another cast iron pan over this. So this is how it looks currently. We're gonna let these press down, and it should take about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how hot your pan is. But we wanna just slowly cook these down. And here are the spices. So this is a shawarma spice. You guys can probably find this at like a Middle Eastern store. But if not, I'm gonna put up some common shawarma spices up on the screen so you guys can make your own if you don't have a shawarma spice blend handy. And then while the mushrooms are cooking, we're gonna make a little bit of a tzatziki. So I have some plant-based yogurt here, plain and unsweetened, of course, and it's about a little over 4 tablespoons. And I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt to it and some black pepper. And then I'm just chopping some cucumber very finely for the tzatziki. You guys don't have to do this. I know some people don't like cucumber, but it helps give it a nice, cool, and refreshing flavor. All right, so here we have a simple tzatziki. I'm just gonna mix it all up. And the last thing I'm gonna add is a little bit of dill. All right, and the tzatziki is complete. So let's go back and check on these mushrooms. And now we are going to start adding the shawarma spices to the mushrooms. And you want to generously apply it on there. And move it all around so it evenly coats the mushrooms. And repeat this process for the top of the mushrooms. And then just push these spices into these mushrooms. And when they're ready, give them a flip. And we'll let these cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, and we'll flip them just one more time. All right, guys, check out that color. And I forgot, you guys got to add some salt and pepper to the mushrooms. I did that right after I stopped filming, so I didn't forget. But look how flat these mushrooms got. Crazy. So they're going to be super meaty. Can't wait to cut these up. So let's do that and start making our plate. What a sight that is. So I'm going to cut it really thin. So they're like little chicken strips, as you guys can see. And the smells delicious. All right, let's get to plating this. So I got a whole grain tortilla right here. I'm just gonna start by putting a nice big spoon of the tzatziki that we made. And then we're just gonna add the mushroom shawarma to it. You add as much as you want. And then for a little extra touch, I got some green and red cabbage. And then for a little extra heat, we just add some sriracha up on top of it. And now let's dig in. All right, guys, time to dig in. Man, that shawarma on there. I don't know if you can see it or if it's focusing because I can't see, but ooh-wee. Cannot wait to take a bite. So I'm trying to wrap it all up to get a nice big bite. Do I even need to say it anymore? You guys know what my reaction is. It's delicious. It's breaking apart on me, but hey, man, it's bomb. So I'm gonna sit down and enjoy this because it is that good. I'm probably gonna make another wrap because I only made one wrap and I can eat way more than that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys try this recipe. It's super easy, super simple, no mock meats, no soy. None of that, you know, processed stuff. It's all whole foods, plant-based, so very simple and delicious, and of course, healthy. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment down below and let me know, are you guys going to be trying this? And let me know what you thought of it. Have you seen Wicked Healthy's version of it? Theirs is a little bit better than mine, I'm not going to lie, in terms of how it looks and stuff. But, you know, I'm not some crazy presenter when it comes to the food. I just make stuff and it tastes good, and that's all that matters to me. But as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.